Today we are going to make an ice cream. So let's start. Take a white sheet and fold it towards the line and do same with the other. Now fold both the corners outwards in triangular shape. Now turn it over. Now fold this part like this and the other one too. Now take the corner and fold it to the center and do the same with the other. Now take this part and fold it downwards. Now again upwards. This makes a zigzag pattern. Now do this again. Now turn this over. Yay, we made an ice cream. Now let's decorate it. Take a pen and make some lines. I'm taking an orange glitter pen. You can use any other color also. Now let's fill it with color. I'm taking orange color. You can use any other color also. And then mix it. Now I'm taking a yellow and then mix it. Now make an eye and another one also. I'm using pencil first. You can directly use pen and then outline it. Now let's draw a mouth with an orange pen or red. Now let's make this pattern and color it with any of the color you want. I'm using red and another shade of red. Now a shade of yellow and mixing it with the orange. Now yellow and another shade of yellow. Now I'm drawing the line again, so it makes it look much more better. You can make any pattern. I'm drawing a flower for its accessory. You can draw a heart or bow, whatever you want, and making some leaves. Now I'm coloring it. Now I'm drawing some blush and mix it so it looks cute. Yay, we made an ice cream. Stay tuned for more creative ideas. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.